Let's draw a little froggy today. Grab your crayons and let's go. Step 1. Draw 2 little rainbows for the eyes. Now, connect the rainbows with a flat round circle. That's the face. Draw 2 little dots for eyes and a happy smile. Give your frog some cheeks, round and round. Draw straight lines down for the arms. Then, make pointy toes. Connect the 2 arms with a straight line. Last step. Make a pointy knees and add the toes. Great job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.